Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hypatia Olushi, and on this channel I talk about faith, lifestyle and gospel movie review. If you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so I get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're not subscribed, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a gospel movie titled The Cruise. So this movie was released recently. It was produced by Malzell Films Production in conjunction with The King's Palace Drama Ministries, and it was written by Damilola Magbamiloye. So before the movie was released, I was waiting in anticipation for the release of the movie because I saw the trailer of the movie and I was like, okay, I'd love to see how this movie goes. And guys, the movie, to my surprise, is short. Yeah, it's about 37 minutes. It tells the story of a family, a man, his wife, and their two sons. So it turned out that the two sons were against each other, even though they were both into ministry. Their father had to ask that they come, like, have a physical meeting with him because he hadn't really seen them with their families for like 2 years. So he invited them to go on a cruise with him and his beloved wife. So it was there that the drama took place. The two sons, Luke and Nathaniel. Luke was the elder brother, Nathaniel is the younger brother. And so Luke and Nathaniel were just giving themselves back-to-back insults. And the parents couldn't take it any longer. They had to call them to order. And then the father said to them, gave an illustration. So the illustration their father gave made them see that when you try to, or when you are pulling someone down, you go down with them. When you are pulling someone up, you are going up with them.
Some boy. Hey.
We saw that anger, bitterness, and jealousy in the life of anybody, especially believers, is going to pull you down and weigh you down. And then we saw how the film ended with the two brothers reconciling and then doing the assignment their mother gave them to recite 1 Corinthians chapter 13. A Cruise is an amazing movie. If you don't watch movies because of the length, trust me, you're going to enjoy this one. It's not long. It's about 37 minutes. And I love the beginning part where Mr. Frederick, that's Nathaniel's and Luke's father, was trying to get into a Zoom meeting and then he asked his wife to help him. I love the whole back and forth with his wife.
What did they expect you and I to be talking about?
There's a lot we can talk about. Let's talk about how we met.
This is not the place for that line of conversation.
This line is open, but no one is here. It's just you and me.
We are here for serious business, Rose.
Oh, I see. How we met is not serious.
Look, I'm not in the mood. There are more important things to talk about.
So I'm not important?
We are too old for this, Rose.
Okay, tell me what you love about me.
I am not going to tell you that on Zoom. I should tell you inside the room.
Come on. Come on, don't be shy.
I just love that, that back and forth with the couple. That was like my favorite part of the movie. If you watched The Cruise, I want to tell me in the comment section, what was the highlight for you in the movie? What is your take home from the movie? Which scene do you like most from the movie? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like this video and share it. And if you're wondering where you can find The Cruise, you can find it on Damilola Magbamiloye's YouTube channel. You can also search for it on YouTube and watch it. Okay guys, see you in my next video.